How's it going, everyone? As you can see, I'm not ice fishing today. Doing a little bit of open water fishing in this video. There's going to be 2 days of footage in this video. I'm just going to cram it all together because overall I was going to plan on making 2 different videos, but you know, the target species, which is walleye, you know, fishing for walleyes, you know, fishing for them the same way, fishing the same area. I just felt it was too similar, so I just crammed everything together. And beginning of the first day, I was actually fishing down on that little point there, and I ended up catching a really big silver carp. And you know, unfortunately it was foul hooked, and I was debating to even put it in the video, but I figured, hey, it's a big fish. I was with some friends, it was a good time, so that'll be the first fish I show. And then every fish after that, we finally figured out how to catch a few of these walleyes here. So stay tuned and hopefully you enjoy the video. Is he gone? Nope.
If you get him in, it means you're like super strong.
Are you over? Ducks, you're hitting my line. I literally felt every one of those things fly right into my fishing line. Dude, they're trying to cause me to lose a fish. Hey.
How deep do you think it is out there? I think it's too shallow up there to catch a salmon.
You might be able to try.
Cause like I know like here you can a bunch of that. I'm trying to see what it is.
I think it's a silver.
How big? Was this that one you sent me that one day?
Oh yeah.
40? That was big fish.
Dude, I literally felt them fly right into my line. They hit it and it was like thump, 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 thump. Oh yeah, that's a net fish.
So that is pretty good. Holy cow. Dude, let me knock that thing. That is big.
Ooh.
Oh god, holy fuck.
Dude, that might be PB.
If that's not PB, I don't know what it is. That is massive.
Dude, he is barely hooked.
He is massive. Oh, holy fuck. Wes. Holy shit. He's a chunk.
Alright.
Yeah.
Debating if I want to keep them.
Dude, you get a lot of meat off that.
That's what I'm thinking. You get a lot of meat. You don't have to worry about the bones. See, why can't we catch them like this down in Yankton?
Right?
Instead of all those tiny little 1-pounders. And you know, if I were catching them like this, I mean, if we weren't getting paddlefish, if we were catching them this. No.
Hey, look, we're on the snow. It's just like a fish market.
Yeah.
There you go. Got them figured out, Rob? Oh man, two of them. Oh, it's a sauger.
That is, that's a saugeye. Grab that net. Oh, we got it. Fuck yeah.
Dude, that's your PB sauger, dude. Yeah, that's a nice one. Yes, sir. And he ain't got an eyeball.
Sauger,
That's a big old sauger.
PB. Got a little clap.
Got what?
What do we call them on trout?
Kite?
Yeah.
Nah, they ain't a kite.
No?
It's just his mouth is almost. That's a 20-inch fish, dude.
I like how they get their fat fleece.
Nope. Nice. You let him go or keep him?
What are your thoughts?
That's up to you.
You think he's gonna take the good at all?
A decent one. Oh, it's a chubby one. Oh, he's got some nasty scar on him. I think we'll let this one go. Huh? Well, he's got like some weird growths on him. I've caught catfish with these, but I've never caught a walleye with these weird little bumps.
What's up?
Hey, hey.
Yeah.
All right, nice walleye. Sweet. That's your turn. He's got to get one now. I snagged him. What the heck? Good.
If you want to, you can add that to my pile and I'll be done fishing.
We'll be done fishing.
Yeah, 'cause I want to go home.
There we go.
I just really want to get one more.
That's Walter. Oh. Alrighty, he's in your pile. It's a baby. I know plenty of people. Dude, they're getting smaller. Man, he's got some pretty weird patterns on him.
Right?
Dude, he's missing an eyeball too. What is up with all these walleyes?
Oh.
A walleye. Whoa, don't fall now. There he goes. Woo. There we go, first walleye on. Over you come. That's a nice one. Just hit it right off the wall here. Go. Nice walleye. Probably 16-inch fish. I'll keep this one and eat them. I think I'm gonna bleed this one out. Not gonna lie, those ones last weekend were pretty gross. And that flick, nice walleye, and he's going in the snow. Alright, what I'm doing to catch these walleyes, got a little jig, little jig, and a minnow. And I've been casting, haven't caught anything casting yet. I had one bite, but that one I just was jigging right off the wall and he came up and hit it. So I might try that a little bit, just try jigging right up on the wall here and see what happens. Cool, we get one of these things to bite, but they've been few and far between. They're biting, but not like not consistent, if that makes sense. I'll make a cast down the wall and just lay it in. Oh, they just barely bite it. You almost don't know they're there. Should have let him eat it for an extra second. Let him really take it down. There we go. Another Walter. Yes, sir. Little guy. He can go. He can go back. There we go. He actually hit it. We got him on camera eating it. He's actually not bad. He's probably about an inch smaller than that last one, inch or two maybe. Yes, look at that. And he's really flaring out. He's right on that 15-inch mark. That minnow is reusable, I'd say. Well, nice. 2 walleyes. Oh, and a very bad cast. Oh, that's almost embarrassing. Okay, let's do that again. There we go. Well, that's cool. I got one actually eaten on camera, not just filming right when I get a bite. It is so cold today that if it wasn't for the wind, it's the most Midwestern thing to say, but today it is true. If it wasn't for this wind, man, it'd be a lot warmer. There's times when these gusts stop and it's just nice. Not today though. There we go, another one. Right. Oh, that's carp. It's got to be carp. No, it's a... Oh, no! Oh! That was a nice walleye. Oh, man. The reason why I thought it was a carp, not because it was fighting hard, but it was just... It felt like when you hook a fish in the tail, it was just that constant thump 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 thump. It didn't feel like a walleye. Okay, well now I figured something out. They're not out in the middle, they're... Oh, I made that bad cast. They're along the wall. Nice. Now I put fluorocarbon on this reel today just to see if that made any difference with getting more bites. You know, maybe they were just seeing the braid or what have you. Man, that was a nice walleye. That might have been a 22-inch fish. Yeah, I wouldn't say like a... There we go. Man, I wouldn't say a big one. Oh, he's a little... This is a lot smaller. Okay. Ooh. Little guy. Okay, yeah, you're not keeping. You're a lot smaller than the other two. Down you go, buddy. All right, I'm having a good day now. I might hit this wall, and once I kind of slow down, I'll go down a little bit, and then if nothing happens there, I'll go to the other side and cast along that other wall. So that's 3 casts. I've hooked 3 fish, so you don't even feel them bite it either. They're just super faint. that one bite. Oh, there we go, another nice one. Yes, sir. Oh, let's get him up. Here we go. Yes. And that is a nice walleye. Look at that. Chunky. That's the biggest one today. The previous one. They're actually about the same length. This one's just so much fatter. This could be a female, so I'm gonna let this one go. Oh, here we go. Nice walleye. There you go, buddy. Oh, he hit the water pretty good. Oh man. All right, I got these walleyes figured out pretty good today. I caught just as many fish today as I did last week in a shorter amount of a time. So I think definitely got something dialed in here today. Oh man. The hands are getting cold though. I gotta dry them up before I get another bait back on. There we go. Yeah, for this little guy. Oh, look at that. He ripped that minnow right in half. I just got a head left. All right, I'll be right back. There we go. I got my protection on, and now I got another fish. Little guy again. There we go. Man, this dude's been all down in the mud. He's got sand and grit all over him. Hey, can I have my minnow back? Thank you. Yeah, decent little fish though. Letting him go. It's walleye number 5 or 6 today? I don't know. Something like that. I think it's number 5. GoPro don't want to come on. Got another. There we go. Walter. Hey, hey, hey. There we go. He's a little guy. Bye, buddy. Let's see, can I get one on? Feel him biting again? It's pretty cool. I like it when that happens. It's like a nice fish. What's that? What in the world? Whoa. Oh, I thought he bit it at first. No, he's just hooked right in the front nose there. That there's a quillback. Ooh. You're wildin', dude. There we go. I like these things so much. They're fun. There he goes. I thought he actually hit that at first, and no, he was just hooked right in the front nose there. Oh, that minnow straight up came apart on me. Oh man, just had a big fish on. I don't know if it was a walleye or if it was just a carp. There's a bite. Oh, came off. Dang. But big fish. It was heavy and it was just digging down. It didn't want to come up. Been pretty slow now. Ever since I caught that quillback, I haven't caught anything else. Here we go. Been a while, but I finally got another. It's not a bad one. Bigger than the last couple. He might come home with me. Here we go. Nice walleye. Oh man, you were not coming off, were you? Yeah, I probably should have kept that one, then I'd have my limit. What was I thinking? We're going to the pile. Sweet. It's been a while since my last fish. Man, it got cold and windy and the sun went behind the clouds. If I didn't have this clothing on me, I'd be... I gotta get up here. If I didn't have my protection on me, I'd be bitter right now. Well, I'm gonna be packing in here now, making this outro. This is actually the third day I've been down here fishing for walleye. Today was a little slow. I'm not gonna add any of the footage here today. There's just a couple little walleyes and one carp, so they're not gonna make it in. But yeah, overall very good. This wasn't my first, you know, open water outings. I came down here one day in January. Now this was the second and third week of February filming this, but yeah, overall successful. Caught some nice walleyes. Broke my PB silver carp, or at least I don't know if it's not broken, it's tied with my PB. That was a big fish. And my friend caught his PB sauger. So that, or it's a sauger, saugeye, something along those lines. So yeah, overall very good fishing, at least for winter time. And you know, for me, this is, I don't want to say special, but you know, mixing it up. I'm not a big walleye fisherman. I don't do it a whole lot. I don't mind catching them as bycatch, but actually targeting them, I don't normally do that. So, but you know, doing it these last couple weeks, it's been fun. You know, doing something I don't normally do. It's, you know, it kind of gives a little extra challenge. You know, I'm not always familiar with what these fish are doing, or you know, where I should be casting, but made it work. Caught some fish and overall ended up with some decent ones. Lost the one big one. Didn't even think I thought it was a foul hooked fish at first, but nope, turned out it was a big walleye. That's on me though. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you have a good rest of your night. Take care now.